Hi Gemini, welcome to your reading. So this is going to be a zodiac reading for July 1st to the 15th. I will be looking at your current situation, and if that resonates, then the outcome would also. I'll be closing it off with a couple of oracle cards from the universe. And while you're watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So let us begin and see what's going on with you, Geminis. Current situation for Gemini. Let's see what's going on with you currently. Three of Pentacles, the King of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles. Okay. So I see you kind of strategizing. You want something, maybe someone, and you're very passionate for it. You want that in your life, and you're strategizing, you're planning how to work on it. Probably on the other hand, this person could be in their world, pretty happy. But somewhere I feel these are two different energies. So I feel that you're the one who's wanting to put in effort, and this other person is just not bothering. Okay, let's clarify this. Let's clarify each card. Three of Pentacles. 1 second. Seven of Swords. King of Wands. Seven of Wands. Nine of Pentacles. King of Swords. The High Priestess. And the Knight of Cups. Okay. I think you want to put effort, but at the same time, you don't want to show it that you want to put effort. Like, you don't want to be very direct. I'm seeing you hiding. You are probably seeing someone, or you're keeping an eye on this person. You're trying to look stuff up about this person. You want this. Like, you want to fight you're determined. You want to fight the competition. You don't want to give up. On the other hand, I see this person to be a little cold towards you. Okay? They're not talking to you or something, or they're kind of withdrawn from you. I'm seeing whatever it is, this person could also be subconsciously waiting for you. Okay? Like waiting for you to do something. And on the other hand, what you are doing is something hidden. So this person is not able to see. So I don't know what's going on, guys. Like, Gemini, like, what are you doing? It's like this person also subconsciously wants you, but then I think they are hiding their feelings, and you want it. You have expressed your feelings probably, but you don't want to work on it. You don't want to show how badly you want it or something like that. Okay? So if this resonates, let's look at what's coming from July 1st to the 15th. What's happening? What's happening? July 1st to the 15th. Six of Wands. Again, Seven of Wands. And the Judgment. I'll clarify these cards. So I see you moving forward with determination because, let's see, I'll clarify the Judgment. But before that, let me just clarify all the cards. Six of Wands. Six of Wands. Page of Pentacles. Seven of Wands is Eight of Wands. The Judgment here. Page of Cups. I think you will move towards this person. I think you will give small signs, like I'm seeing Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups, because somewhere there will be this awakening in you that you want this. Okay, and you want to talk, but you're resisting that energy. But I think you will end up doing it. You would want to talk to this person. You would want to take a step towards this person, because I'm seeing the push and pull to be a little strong here, as in it's very tough to let go for you. This other person is, I think, very determined this time, or probably whatever. This other person is kind of sure that there's nothing happening in this situation anymore. And this other person could be a little heartbroken, and I think they are hiding their feelings by being a King of Swords, like by being harsh. They don't want to show their soft side to you, basically. Okay? So that is what I'm seeing from July 1st to the 15th for you. I think you will take a step forward. I think you will do something. Let's see what is the advice for you here. Serapis Bay, Ascension. Move into your true self. Rise above the darkness. The light is here. So, I think your ego is a dark side to your personality. There is something that you need to work on. And that is why this connection is here in your life. There is something that you need to work on. A kind of... should I say? Everyone has a dark side to their personality. I think it is something to do with your upper spirit, like superficiality. Like you've been... there is a very famous saying that people who do not find a very inner meaning in their life tend to distract themselves with pleasures. So, and pleasure is for the body. It's for the material world. So you will not get the satisfaction. So I'll tell you what, a lot of people have this, for example, today, when I say this, that, it's for the body, it's for the 3D, it's not something that will give you happiness. You might say to people that I'm not even seeking it. Okay, I just want to feel pleasure, or I just want materialistic pleasure. But deep down, your soul wants it. You're just not willing to accept it. That is the reason why this kind of connections will keep repeating in your life. For example, if this goes, someone else will come and the same pattern is going to repeat. Till you change yourself, till you stop seeking this whole superficial pleasure, which is very, very shallow. Okay? I don't know how many are resonating with me, but let's see. Let me see what else is the advice. There is some inner shadow work that needs to be done. Coming to life, yes. You have to let go of a certain way of living. Like you've been practicing this thing, or you've been following this way for way too long, and now it is time for you to let go. And that is why all of this is happening in your life. Alright, Gemini, so that's what I have for you. I hope this reading gave you the clarity that you were seeking. You can follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. So I'm so used to saying this that it sounds like a tape recorder, but that's how it is. So yeah, you can follow me on Instagram. Also, private readings are open. You can check out my website or you can reach out to me. The email details are there. Have fun, guys, but at the same time, don't be shallow. Take care. Bye.